Hey guys, so right here I got a new starter. I had a spare one. I have another spare as well. Brand new starter. I think I ordered them from eBay for about $35 or something like that. Came from China, so it was for me from China all the way to Canada. It's about 30 business days, so like a month and a half kind of thing. So I got a brand new one here. I'm gonna try and put that in. I'll just show you what the other one looked like. It's the same thing, but the guy had taken it apart, and so basically it's just missing the gear on the end right there, and he took it all apart because I guess it wasn't working. So I'm gonna throw a new starter on. Hopefully that's all it is. Fixes the problem. If it's not, no big deal. We'll keep going through and whatnot to get her going. So yeah, this here is the gear shifter. So I'll be adding that on after. But he gave me a little box of some parts he had kicking around. I needed these bolts, so we're gonna go ahead and try to install it right now, and see you in a bit. We're just gonna take off this side so we can get the gear on for the starter. So we're just gonna Okay guys, the oil's all drained out of it. I tilted it up so it would drain out a little bit faster. I'm just going to put the plug in, top it up. It's pretty much on the ground. So all we're going to do is stick the funnel inside. And we got some fluid here. It's a MotorMaster brand for ATVs, 10W40 for 4-stroke engine. That's what this is. It's a 4-stroke engine. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there. Okay, guys. So where we're at right now is I tested for spark. It didn't seem like I was getting spark from the new spark plug. Pretty sure I tested continuity correct, and it seemed to be beeping, so it shows that the spark plug is good. I'm getting a connection through this new spark plug. I tried the old one, and I wasn't getting anything through the voltmeter. So that leads me to believe when I did have this one in, and I was trying to see if there was spark, I did not see any. So I'm guessing it's the ignition coil right here. The line for the spark doesn't seem to be good. I have a new one. I'm gonna try and throw this one in. Hopefully I get a spark, and that should solve my issues. Fingers crossed. But if not, then we're gonna continue to look into the problems and see what's going on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the plastic off the ATV. So I'll do that real quick, and we'll get back to you guys.